This is a 2007 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a limited slip differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, third-row seats, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 62,000 miles. Not to mention that this GMC qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.